How to import transactions and manage your finances in Firefly III. Firefly III is a powerful self-hosted personal finance manager that gives you complete control over your money. And learning how to import transactions and manage your finances inside it can transform the way you track spending, budgeting, and financial goals. To start, you'll first need to prepare your transaction data from your bank or payment platform, usually in CSV, OFX, or MT940 format, making sure your columns are correctly labeled for dates, amounts, descriptions, and account names, because clean data ensures smoother imports without mismatches. Once your file is ready, head to Firefly the third import tool, choose the correct file, type and use mapping interface to align your file's column with Firefly's fields, checking options like skip first row for headers or create missing accounts so you won't have to manually set them later. After import, Firefly the third automatically categorizes the tags your transactions. If you've set rules, that you can also refine them by creating custom categories, tagging purchases for specific projects, and linking transactions to budgets so you know exactly how each expense fits into your financial plan. Managing your finances in Firefly the third means regularly reconciling accounts by comparing your Firefly balances to your bank statements, analyzing trends with built-in report and chart, setting up recurring transactions for bills or income streams so you never miss an entry. Advanced users can automate imports using Firefly the third data importer or API integrations with services like Blade or Salt Edge for near real-time updates, while also leveraging its budget and savings goals modules to set aside money for travel, emergencies, or big purchases. Over time, this workflow gives you centralized, privacy-focused, and high customizable financial dashboard where you not only track every peso or dollar, but also gain deep insights into where your money comes from, where it goes, and how to optimize it for long-term stability, growth, making Firefly the third not just ledger, but the backbone of disciplined financial life. To truly master import transactions in managing finances, Firefly the third, you'll want to move beyond one-time imports and build a consistent, repeatable workflow that keeps your record fresh and actionable. This begins with settings up scheduled imports either through Firefly the third data import Docker container or direct API feeds, which allows you to fetch new transactions from multiple banks or payment services automatically, reducing manual work of downloading and re-uploading CSV files. Once your data is flowing regularly, take advantage of Firefly the third's transaction rules to automatically categorize, tag, or rename transaction based on matching criteria like merchant name, amount range, or account type. So you spend less time cleaning up entries and more time analyzing them. You can then refine your budgeting system by creating multiple budgets for different purposes, such as groceries, entertainment, savings, and debt repayment, and assigning transactions to these budgets either manually or via rules, enabling you to instantly see how much you've spent each area for the current period. For deeper financial insights, Firefly the Third's built-in reports and charts can show your trends over weeks, months, or years, helping you spot recurring expenses, seasonal spending spikes, or underutilized budgets, while the net worth tracker allows you to view your financial health at glance by combining balances from all your accounts. You can also integrate assets and liability tracking to monitor loans, mortgages, investment, or crypto, ensuring your net worth data is accurate. Another powerful but often overlooked feature is the piggy bank system, which lets you set aside funds from specific goals like travel, gadgets, or emergency funds, tracking your progress visually so you're motivated to keep saving. If you manage finances with a partner or team, Firefly III supports multi-user setups and access control, enabling shared dashboards while keeping sensitive accounts private. Securing is also a key advantage as all your data remains self-hosted, meaning you can control backups, encryptions, and categories and access. Unlike third parties' finances app, over time, the combination of automated imports, intelligent categorization, detailed reporting, and disciplined budgeting transforms Firefly III from a passive tracker into an active financial command center. One that doesn't just record your history, but actively guides your spending, saving, and investment decisions for long term wealth and stability. Once you've established a solid importing and budgeting routine in Firefly III, the next step is leveraging its automation and automation potential to make it feel like your personal financial assistant rather than just a keeping record. Start by fine tuning account structure. For example, separating bank accounts, cash wallets, creating cards, and investment portfolios into distinct categories so reports are more meaningful than use transaction splitting to break down a single expense into multiple categories, which is especially useful for combined receipts or utility bills that cover several services. You can create recurring transaction not only for predictable bills and salaries but also for estimated expenses like quarterly taxes, giving you foresight into upcoming cash flow. Advanced rule chaining allows you to apply multiple actions to incoming transactions, such as tagging them, assigning them to budgets, and marking them as reconciled in one automated sweep, saving hours over time. For businesses or side hustle, Fireflies the Third can also double as lightweight accounting system, which can track invoices, separate personal and business finances, and monitor professional profitability using custom tags and categories. Integrating currency and conversion ensures that if you operate with multiple currencies, all reports remain consistent and comparable. For users who thrive a visual analysis, or you can connect Firefly the Third to external analytic tools via API. Pulling transaction data for more complex dashboards is Grafana, Power BI, or Google Data Studio. Firefly the Third becomes less about manual data entry and more than about providing action and actionable insight, ultimately empowering you to make informed financial decisions daily while building a crystal clear historical records that shows exactly how your habits, goals, and wealth have evolved over time. So that's it.